Okay, all set. Oh, that's right, Mayor Peter. Someone has moved into town today. I'm sure getting an official welcome from the mayor will be just the thing to help them settle in. Hello, everybody. Hyper Mario Sunshine here, and we're back for another day of Animal Crossing. And we got some mail, and this is our brand new house, and we got a letter from Peanut. I felt super spunky since you sent me that present, so thanks. You gotta take care of your fans, and they'll leave you. So here, I'm sure you'll treasure this gift from me, from Peanut. Alright, so we got our letter back. Let's see what it is. Let's see what the present is. It's a mango! And our tree's starting to grow too, which is pretty good. Ooh, one of these rocks is not like the other. Yeah, because they're way too close to be like, one to be real and one to be fake. And we got an emerald, that's good. So, finally we have our house, and we're actually going to continue getting our rate up. Oh, got a new bug to get. Pill bug. Or as I like to call them, roly-polies. So anyways, there was a bug on there that I wanted to get. Right, there we go, that should do it. Nope. Yeah, so we're basically going to, be doing stuff for Isabelle to see if we could finally, get back and get the 100% on our rating. Let's see if there's any other rocks around. Is that a grasshopper? A rice grasshopper? Oh, got more weeds growing. Not liking the look of that. So we've got to keep an eye out for that. Hopefully when we get our town up, we could get rid of the weeds by making the town beautiful. This one has to be it. Nope. So yes, today is... Oh, there's a bug that went into my house. Speaking of our house, let's actually go take a look in it. Oh, Isabelle's here. Sorry to intrude, Mayor. I see your house is all finished. Congratulations. The lumber smell from a new house is so nice, isn't it? That reminds me, I bought over some wallpaper to celebrate your new home. Here you go. Alright, another tutorial here. And of course, Isabelle's going to hand us a paw print wall. Because she's a dog. Oh, never mind, she just gave us one. Getting things ready, Wisp. The lamp spirit, remember? Oh. I don't know why he's coming out, though. Anyways, we do have that picture of Isabelle, which I will probably put down as soon as we get another upgrade to our house. Isn't there a bug just here? I'm like imagining things. And before we do that, let's actually go greet that new person. And of course, he's giving us tutorial stuff that we already know, because Isabelle already told us. And here he is, or she. Daisy, yeah, it's a she. I've never actually seen Daisy before, so this is going to be brand new to me. Most of these villagers are actually pretty brand new, except for probably Ricky and Peanuts. And she's a dog. So it's mostly dogs and squirrels in our town. Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Daisy. I just moved here, so I'm still kind of finding my way. Once I finish unpacking, I hope see you'll give me some pointers on life in Ostia. All right. Got a new villager. You could get a maximum, I think, of 10 villagers in New Leaf. Oops, I destroyed a flower. Now let's actually go to Nook and then actually see what Isabelle wants. Let's see what else we need to do to help increase our living. She's really excited because my birthday is tomorrow, October 13th, so I can't wait to see what I'm going to do. And in game, it's also going to be the birthday, so we're going to have people coming over to our house celebrating. There we go. We got the full perfect 8. Oh, what? I thought we had just enough. Alright, let's, I think we already have enough to pay off our next portion of our house. Actually, no, I don't think so. That would have been way too easy. And we got Crazy Red who's here, but we're not actually going to go to him yet. Anyways, let's actually go and see what Isabelle is up to. Help give us some advice about living in the town and increase our rate. And I just scared away a praying mantis. Well, she wants us to go to the beach, so we haven't been to the beach side yet. So let's go collect Isabelle some shells. One of her favorite things to do. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy about this Animal Crossing, about the new Animal Crossing journey we've been having so far. Especially with how my town is going. Beach is right here. I could have went south to the other part where the dock is, but the dock unfortunately isn't available to us. So let's actually collect some seashells, maybe sell some. Three should do for now. Isabelle should like it. I'm not sure if she actually said anything specific enough that she wanted. Alright, let's see what Isabelle has next for us. We should have, like, probably went there and, like, got it beforehand so that Isabelle would have been like, whoa, you already went? And Isabelle's giving us pears. And we're actually going to plant this. So yeah, let's go plant that pear tree, and we'll actually have our own pears growing in town. Even though, I wish it was some kind of other fruit. We also have that mango. I think mango is a more tropical fruit, so I'm going to probably plant that in the beach, I think. There's one. I think we should plant one over here. And one next to our house. Not sure where the mangoes are actually. I'm going to say that they're land, because I only remember coconuts and bananas being the ones, so we'll just plant the mango over here. Yeah, I knew it that they were tropical. Okay, I was right. I think this is a rice grasshopper. Oh, it's a long lucus. Okay. We got a brandy bug, so we're actually going to go to the museum afterwards, if Isabelle tells us anything new. Oh, Mayor Peters, anything you'd like to inquire about? Alright, more advice about living here. I already did that. Oh, dig up anything. And actually, I'm not sure if Timmy and Tommy's store actually has fishing, like a fishing rod. But if you actually talk to Isabelle, I need a fishing rod. And we get a free a fishing rod from Isabelle. So if, let's say if you go to Timmy and Tommy's looking for one, like either a shovel, well, not a shovel, but actually I think the shovel could as well. You actually could get it from Isabelle, so you don't have to like skip days and whatnot and wait till they actually have it. So that's really nice of Isabelle. And now we have our fishing rod. And we actually could begin catching some fish. But it's October, so there's not really too much good sea creatures for us to get. But I think there is salmon. Salmon's actually a really pretty good selling fish. This might be a black bass. Yep. Oh, we got a dragonfly behind us. And there we go, the red dragonfly. Alright, we're actually going to probably send all of these to the museum, because the museum actually comes with some good stuff later on, as we progress in helping it out. Advice for living here. Let's see what new advice Isabelle has. Oh, what? She did tell me to catch 3? What the hell, Isabelle? What is this? Thought it was only 1. I mean, there's not even that many unique fish. Alright. Oh, there, I see a pretty big one. Yep, this one probably is a salmon. Oh, it's a pike. Never mind. It's actually a pretty rare fish. I'm actually glad that I caught it, because these I think only appear during the fall. I'm not certain about like the summer or any other seasons. But yeah, I actually never caught a pike before. I don't recall catching one. Oh, here we go. I think this is a guppy. Or pale chub. Oh my god. Keep getting all these wrong, but whatever. Alright, Isabelle, we caught our 3 different kinds of fish. What? What? I'm carrying way too... Oh, I was about to say. Well, I guess we'll go sell some stuff at retail and then also hand the stuff to museum. But she's only going to hand us one, so... I guess that's all the advice we have, so I guess that will raise up our percent by quite a lot. Alright, retail, we're here. And, also, by the way, I actually got Luigi's Mansion, the remake for the 3DS, and I'm probably going to do a review on it. That video should be coming up rather soonish as well. Let's see. So these 3... 2,000 plus spells, that's good. Alright, let's head back to Isabelle and see what she was going to hand us. Actually, don't know what she is actually going to hand us because I don't remember what it is. It's been quite a while since I actually restarted the game. Alright. Let's see what Isabelle wants. Well, wants to give us. Well, here we... Oh, it's a watering can. Alright, neat, neat. Oh. Well then, reading what she said, I could have just saved those wilted flowers. Citizen satisfaction. Alright, let's see if everything's done. Recent approval, okay. Won't you sell some stuff at retail? Okay. Well, we're not gonna... We got in actually quite a ways there. Last time we were at 15, and we gained like a good... Almost... Let's see, it's at 39 right now, so... We're at like 24% increase, so we're doing pretty good from those last few things that we have done. Oh god. Ran into another one of these damn things. Alright, so let's actually go to the museum, and actually let's purchase some stuff from, maybe get some new clothes. Maybe some new pants, actually, because I want something more fall-fitting like our shirt. Also, we might purchase some candy, too. Alright, Blathers, let's see. And, of course, we have to greet ourselves since we're the new mayor. Alright, make a donation. Obviously, all of these. And we got a whole library filled now of both fish and bugs. And actually, since Crazy Red is here, we will actually go to him and actually purchase some art. Well, just one, because we have to find out which one is real, because he's a scammer. Let's actually go to Tom Nook's real quickly, so he could give us that new price to upgrade our house. Alright, it's 39,000, so we only need 19,000 more. So I think maybe tomorrow on my birthday, we will actually be finished. And by the way, guys, Fire Emblem Fates will actually continue after I'm finished with Pokemon. So expect that, and I'm also going to plan on a new Let's Play after Fates is done. We're still going to be doing Animal Crossing as well, along with that next new Let's Play afterwards. Let's go to Nookling Junction, see what's on sale. And of course they had a rod, but we still got from Isabelle, so we got it much quicker. We'll take it. There's also a bathtub here, or spa. I actually do want to buy this. Buying stuff from Nookling's Junction will actually increase it, or even selling stuff to it, but selling stuff to them is not worth it, so I recommend just buying from there if you want to buy anything. Let's actually go to Abel's sister, see how Sable's doing, if she'll get a little more closer to us. And maybe actually buy some pants. Mabel, can you take care of this customer here? And she's going to be quiet again. Alright, this actually looks not that bad. Navy blue pants. Right, so actually, you get some good stuff if you, you actually could get something from all three of the sisters if you, get the right requirements with them. And let's actually buy the skeleton hood, because, different villagers actually do not like certain monsters for Halloween, so, for example, some of them won't be frightened to the werewolf, but some of them will be frightened to the skeleton. I'm gonna wear the werewolf one, because it actually looks cool. We're good so far, actually. Alright. Now, we're probably gonna do one more thing before ending off, and that's going to Crazy Red. Over here with his bootleg stuff. We're gonna see which one he's actually selling that's real. So let's put myself to the test. Red. Oh god! Oh my god! I just realized something. All right. The Jolly painting. I'm not sure which one is actually like which one's actually legit or not. I know that only certain paintings are. Time to whip out my trusty phone, because that's what I'm going to do. Let's actually wait right here for a second as I get my phone out. Alright, so we got the Jolly painting. Yeah, I know that this sounds sad that I'm doing this, but I really need to get this painting so I could actually obtain my first art part in the in Blather's museum. So Animal Crossing, paintings. Alright. Let's see which ones are counterfeit and which ones are legit. Okay, so Crazy Red guide with pictures. Let's see. The amazing painting, ancient statue, basic painting. Fine paint. Okay, fine painting and flowering. Okay. Let's see. Alright, in the great statue, the man's right hand is raised and palm up, while the fake one is palm down. So we actually saw that, and he's palm down, so that one's fake. The Jolly painting, okay. The Jolly painting, the man's nose is relatively normal, but in the fake one, there's something clearly coming out of his nose. Perhaps it's a carrot. So let's see. Can't really see. Yeah, I think this one's legit. Because I do not see the thing on his nose. Yeah, that's the real one. Yep, no mistake. Alright. And we're going to take it, even though it is pretty hefty of a price. And we can only buy one, so we only have a 1 out of 4 chance, but we actually found out which one was real, thanks to our trusty phones. And we've done it. That's it. Anyways, I think we're going to end off the episode here. I think I'm going to do some off-screen work, so we could get the town to 100% ready for tomorrow. So anyways, love my videos with a like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Next time on Animal Crossing New Leaf, we're going to be celebrating our birthday here. And we're also going to see if that painting was real or not. And also finally finish up the satisfaction of the town, get our rating to 100% approval, and get the permit so we could start doing some ordinances and some town projects. See you guys then. Bye.